like I already have explained you before, your scanned photo, copy of an ID card, your educational document, your degree, and your experience certificate from your employer. So these are the 4 things which you need to send, and plus 129 pounds sterling. Preparation for exam. So during the live sessions, we offer DipIFR in 2 formats. If you talk about Vertex offers this DipIFR course, and you've got 2 options. Option A is live group, and we start live groups twice a year for June and December session, and you have recorded courses. Recorded course on our site. So you get access. Now, live group, we do classes twice a week on Zoom. And of course, you get access to the course to the site. And here it is self-study. It is self-study plus tutor support, which means that you will be added to the WhatsApp group. So essentially, we are not meeting on live session. You are watching your own videos. You are seeing the question answer videos. And if you get stuck somewhere, you take a screenshot, you will send it to the WhatsApp group, and I will respond. Now, both courses are equally good. It has got huge content. A lot of content is here. It is enough to pass the exam. Now, there are pros and cons of both of these options, live group and recorded. Live groups, actually, what do? They make you disciplined. Live groups make you disciplined because when you are doing self-studies, sometimes there is procrastination. You say, I'll do it tomorrow, I'll do it next day, and the whole week passes, and then another week passes, and there is no progress. But when you are doing live group, you know that I have listened today, I have a class today, you come in, you attend, you listen, and you move on. So here, discipline and motivation. This one, it gives you flexibility. Because I know that sometimes you cannot join. The time which we agree or the time which we propose is not suitable for you. Or probably you not every day you have the same time available. So you say, you know, I cannot make a commitment that every Wednesday or every Saturday at 7 p.m. I'm available. I'm not available. I have a very different flexible schedule. So then you go for recorded course, because recorded course is at your own speed whenever you want to. But in recorded course, you are responsible for maintaining the discipline, and you are responsible for motivating yourself. So you have to be self-motivated, and you have to be very self-disciplined person to take a recorded course.